Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As for the title of my presentation is Child-Friendly Cities, Consideration of Child Protection Policy Implementation in Jambi City, compiled by Dodi Alfayed, Riri Maria Patriani, Reza Amarta Prayoga. Introduction. The child is the heir of the descendants and the successor of the ideals. Children are also prepared to have a strategic role and have special characteristic that answer existential continuity in a state and nation in the future. Therefore, the treatment of the child shall require special treatment or specialization and emotional stability. However, violation and neglect of children at any time have increased, which is caused by several factors that trigger the occurrence of violence against children, namely the lack of maximum social control, social relation that put children in an inferior position, social inequality, and oppressive social-economic structures, thus giving birth to a kind of culture of violence, especially among poor families. Based of the 20 Jambi City, the Pemprov document, the number of cases of violence against children has increased continuously. There are even some causes of child violence showing acts of violence that are carried out sadistically and with the death of children due to various indications. Research method. The research method that will be used by research in this study is a descriptive research method with a qualitative approach. This research method of research that will be used by research in this study is a descriptive research method with a qualitative approach. This study describes, clarifies, and identifies the reality of the implementation of JBGT. Result and discussion. Uncovering the escalation of the one of violence against children in Jambi City, the inferior position of the children in the family, which is influenced by the knowledge system that places children always in an absolute position to be controlled by parents, also makes children to object of parental resentment due to economic difficulties, the stigma of the culture of authoritarian family violence in the name of the environment's discipline, and the high expectation of parents to children and social environmental pressure that children are unable to meet. Also, emphasizes that violence against children is increasingly concerning. Children are targeted by victims of sexual violence, economic neglect, neglect of parenting, or family conflict, and children has victims of the radical terrorists. The power of violent injury to children will cause aspect of severe trauma that they can carry through life. Next, implementation model issue, policy implementation anomalies. The discussion making of SOPD has to our objective and mutual coordination when violence against children occurs. Although completion from the community to the police policy and from the DPM PPA service can coordinate its order and carry out their respective duties. The complaints takes for preparator of violence to the rehabilitation stake aim to eliminate the trauma to victim of violence by bringing in psychologists and facilitated by the PPA and the Jambi City Social Service. This is so that mentality of the child victim of violence can return to normal in society as before to reduce the level of violence against children to occurs in Indonesia. All the policy carried out by the government are such as the regulation of the State Minister for Women's Empowerment and Child Protection of the Republic of Indonesia. Uh, the next uh, about the synergy of the role of the government and society, the power of social control in the implementation of child protection, preventive social intervention in preventing violence must have the right strategy. Strategy in prevention, the strategy carried out is to improve all sub-district district and sub-district by conducting socialization. Although socialization is the main strategy carried out by policy implementation in Jambi City. In addition, the formation of child activities in the community in each kelurahan it can be an extension of the government's hand in conveying the right and protection of children and reporting when there are acts of violence against children in environments where the child activities live. In each village, a children forum was also formed that functioned as a pioneer and whistleblower in addition to preventive efforts. Repressive efforts are also needed as form of effort to combat violence against children. In repressive efforts, the prevention of violence against children must be carried out optimally both legally and psychologically. This is very important to do and activate the growth and development of the child soul. The repressive effort carried out effort to investigate the policy by providing criminal sanction for perpetrators of violence against children. Conclusion and recommendation: the violence against children in Jambi City has occurred especially negative and physical violence. This is evidenced by the increase in case from reserve implementation of child protection policy in Jambi City. It was second optimal complaint in referral service related of children social welfare issue, their social rehabilitation and recognition assistance about children social welfare issues. For advocacy for implementing data and information system related to children social welfare issue. In addition, social control from the community and the government has not saw optimal result in preventing violence against children. This is evidenced by the weakness of preventive social management, namely the uneven dissemination and distribution of regional regulation of child protection in Jambi City. The absence of information technology networks such as social media and the web information is public, especially to the public. In addition, repressive social control efforts in case for violence against children in Jambi City and need to be advocated by the PPA in the policy investigation. Thanks.